Here is how to add subtitles to a video without using any video editing application. Listen to the video play without subtitles.
Art is the dance of colors and the language of the soul. With every brushstroke and every splash of paint, it reveals the beauty of emotions, the depth of dreams, and the endless power of imagination. Embrace the journey, create boldly, and let your spirit shine through your work.
To begin, we need to extract our audio file from our video. On my desktop is my video named Demo Video. I will be using a custom Python script to do the extraction. The script is in a folder which is named Separate Video, in one word. The folder has the Python script also named separatevideo.py. We need to ensure our video file is in the same folder as our Python script. We can use any script editor to view our Python script. I use Atom, you can use VS Code or whichever script editor you have. In the Python code, take note of the video file parameter. Note that the video file the script will expect to work on should be named inputvideo.mp4. We therefore have to change our video file name to match that in the code. To run your Python script, in Windows, search for the command prompt by typing cmd in the search. Notice the default folder we are in. It is normally the name you assign to your PC. Since my folder is on my desktop, I need to move into my desktop through the command. The command used is change directory, which is type cd followed by the folder, in this case desktop. While I am now on my desktop, the next folder to move into is the separate video folder, so I will use a similar command to move into this folder. Note that any spelling mistake will throw an error. We are now in the separate video folder in the command line. Take note the name of the Python script we have to run, it is called separatevideo.py. In order to run this Python script for it to extract the audio file from our video file, we run the command, python separatevideo.py. To run Python scripts first type Python and append it with the name of the script. Again ensure there is no spelling mistake. If you have never run a Python script locally before, note that you need to have Python on your computer, pip on your computer, and specifically for this script, you require MoviePy installed on your computer. How to install these files and the scripts we are using in this demonstration are all in the URL in the description of this video. When the script is done without throwing any error, you should find the extracted audio, and the empty accompanying video. This means our original video with the audio remains intact. We should find these files in our separate video folder. To generate the .srt or subtitles file, head over to this public URL which is also linked in the description. Note that we are generating the SRT file using the OpenAI API. It is free to use this URL, but you need to use your own API key. It is easy to create an API key. You can use this link and follow the steps on the platform to create a key. Enter your API key and upload the audio file. Depending on the size of the file, wait for the API to send the SRT file. Note that, we could generate this with our video file, but due to the size of video files, it is prudent to use the audio file which is smaller. Download the file when the processing is over. Here is the SRT file for our 18 seconds video. With the SRT file, we can use programs like brackets to attach it to our video, but for simplicity and more customization, we could use another Python script. It is named Add Subtitles on my local computer with the Python file also named add_subtitles.py. Ensure your SRT file is in the same folder. Also ensure your video file is in the same folder. Remember to use the original video and not the output video since that one is silent. Always inspect the Python script to note the names to assign your files. The code is very intuitive and can actually be customized. You could change the color, font and size of your subtitles. Our video file should be named input video and our SRT file should be named subtitles.srt. With the correct names assigned, we can run our Python script. On our command line, we are in the separate video folder. We need to go back into desktop, and you do that by using the change directory, followed by 2 periods. While you are in your desktop, you can navigate into the Add Subtitles folder. We can now run our Add Subtitles Python file. When the script is successfully ran, we should see our output video with the subtitles added successfully. Take a look.
Art is the dance of colors and the language of the soul. With every brushstroke and every splash of paint, it reveals the beauty of emotions, the depth of dreams, and the endless power of imagination. Embrace the journey, create boldly, and let your spirit shine through your work.